natural collagen that makes wrinkles disappear, look 10 years younger. This rejuvenating natural oil smooths and firms the skin while delivering a boost of vitamins. Your complexion will regain its glow and youthful appearance. You only need a few ingredients, and you probably already have them at home. Start with 1 orange and a bowl of water. Add a tablespoon of baking soda, rub the orange thoroughly with it, and rinse. Grate the orange peel, which helps to firm the skin and reduce wrinkles. Place the grated peel in a bowl. Next, grate 1 small carrot. Rich in vitamin A, it regenerates damaged cells and smooths wrinkles. Add the grated carrot to the orange peel. Prepare a few bay leaves and crush them. Bay leaves slow down aging and promote skin rejuvenation. Add them to the mixture along with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Place a towel in a pot with water, set the bowl on top, and heat for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. Let the mixture cool, then strain it through a fine sieve into a jar. Massage the oil onto your face until absorbed. No need to rinse. It's that simple. If you do this, ants, cockroaches, and other insects will disappear from your home. Leave it in the drawer, spice cabinet, on the windowsill, or on the countertop, and you won't see any ants or cockroaches anymore. Thanks to this, you'll have peace from these pests. A regular green cucumber will save you a lot of time, money, and nerves. No more buying expensive chemicals for insects. Hide such slices in the kitchen, bathroom, living room, or bedroom. You'll see the effects the same day. Prepare a cutting board and a cucumber, just a regular green cucumber. First, wash it thoroughly in water. Then dry it. Now slice it into medium-thick slices. Cucumber has a scent that repels ants. The substances in the cucumber peel act on them toxically. They lose their sense of smell, orientation, and die. The content of natural repellent substances in cucumbers is invaluable. It's the cheapest and simplest way to get rid of ants. Then prepare baking soda. Apply about a teaspoon to the cucumber slices. Because of its properties, it's one of the most popular products for repelling and eliminating pests in the garden. But at home, it works great for repelling cockroaches. The soda will absorb the juice from the cucumber and strengthen its scent for insects. Transfer the cucumber slices with soda to a small plate and spread them around the apartment. Leave them in places where you've had the most problems with ants or cockroaches. Add lime to your Nivea cream to give it properties comparable to luxurious cosmetics. While this recipe may sound strange, I guarantee you'll start doing it yourself. Lime has many uses for both home and health. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamins and minerals. The vitamin C in lime has antioxidant and brightening effects. It also stimulates collagen production. When combined with Nivea cream, it creates a product that saves you both time and money. To half a jar of Nivea cream, add about 1 small teaspoon of lime juice. Then, add 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, which contains natural lactic acid, providing hydration and exfoliation. Mix well. Also, add just under a small teaspoon of petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly locks in moisture, making the skin more hydrated and elastic. Mix everything together. This combination of 3 ingredients creates a fantastic cosmetic. Apply this mask to wrinkles or dry spots on your skin. Gently massage it in and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Regular use improves the skin's texture, giving it a fresh, youthful appearance. This mask can be used for many purposes. Cut a thin sanitary pad and put it in your shoes. You'll thank me for this trick later. Thin sanitary pads are perfect for heels and all other types of shoes. Cut them into smaller pieces and insert them into your shoes. Every woman should know this trick. When your shoes cause blisters, you can use thin sanitary pads. They have rounded ends. Cut them off. You'll have 2 such pieces. They are delicate and soft. Remove the protective paper from the adhesive side. Stick 1 piece inside your shoe, precisely at the heel. Do the same with the other shoe. This will prevent your feet from slipping out of the heels and stop them from rubbing against your heels. It's the perfect solution for women, providing comfort and convenience when wearing heels or new shoes. Cut the cotton pads in half and place them in the fridge. The next morning, you won't believe the results. Use regular cotton pads that you usually use to remove makeup. Today, I'll show you another use for them. Take scissors and a few cotton pads. Cut them in half. Pour a bit of green tea leaves into a glass. Pour hot water over them. Do not brew with boiling water. Green tea contains many vitamins. Loose leaf tea, not tea bags, has more health benefits. It has anti-atherogenic and anti-cancer properties. When the infusion cools down, prepare a small bowl and pour a few teaspoons of tea into it. Add a small amount of coconut oil. A bit at the tip of the teaspoon is enough. The oil will dissolve in the warm tea. Coconut oil has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antiviral properties. Place the cotton pads in the bowl with oil and tea. When they soak, place the bowl in the fridge. This way you can store them longer. Stretch the soaked pads before use and apply them under your eyes. Leave on for 20 minutes. Dark circles under the eyes will disappear. Such a mask stimulates blood circulation and moisturizes. Use regularly every morning or at night, and you will be pleasantly surprised by the results. Don't throw away your old razor. Instead of spending money on new blades, use this trick. The blades in razors are the most important part, as they determine the quality of the shave. Over time and with use, the blades become dull. They lose their sharpness because they come into contact with hard hair and skin during shaving. This leads to a less comfortable shave and skin irritation. For this trick, you'll need a dishwashing sponge. Take one with a rough side. Make sure the sponge is clean and dry. Place the razor with the blades facing the rough side of the sponge. Move it from bottom to top. This motion is key because the blades should not cut into the sponge material. Repeat this action for about 30 seconds to sharpen all the edges. The rough side of the sponge acts like a gentle sharpening tool. This will make your razor feel like new, and the shave will be more comfortable. After sharpening, the razor will shave smoothly and precisely again. It's a simple trick that can extend the life of your razor several times over.
Natural mask that removes blackheads and pimples. Preparation takes only 5 minutes. Prepare 4 aspirin tablets. It contains acetylsalicylic acid, which helps fight acne. It exfoliates and softens the skin. Lay out a piece of plastic wrap on a board, then place the tablets on it and cover with another layer of plastic wrap. Using a hammer, crush the tablets into powder. This will help them dissolve faster. Transfer the powder to a bowl. Add a tablespoon of plain yogurt. It is rich in vitamin B and proteins, soothing irritations, and promoting skin regeneration. Like a soothing dressing, it helps reduce redness and discoloration. Add a tablespoon of honey. Mix everything together. Honey is an antioxidant that blocks free radicals, helping to maintain youthful skin. Finally, add almond oil. It gently moisturizes the skin without leaving a greasy layer. This oil effectively rebuilds the skin's hydrolipidic barrier. Thoroughly mix the mask to achieve a uniform consistency. It takes literally 5 minutes to prepare, and its effects are wonderful. Apply the mask to the face and neck. Leave it on for 15 minutes. During this time, the ingredients will penetrate the skin. Rinse with lukewarm water, gently massaging. Aspirin helps remove dead skin cells. Blackheads and pimples won't stand a chance.